Okay. Okay. Let's start. Uh, First of all, Happy New Year to all the instructors across the globe, Martin Sensei, Nazda Sensei, and all other instructors across the globe who have been quite supportive for this particular karate at home. And my token of thanks also goes to our JKWF India Kolkata chairman Somnath Pal Chaudhary for mentoring me all throughout this period. So, on behalf of JKWF India Kolkata, I, Dibyendu Mandal, today start my training with you all, and this is the first training in this year 2021. I hope together we will fight this pandemic this year also, and we will stand in a grand way. So let's start. So today mainly I will be covering Kihon. So Kyosuke. Hey. Okay. So let's start with the warm up. Ni, san, shi, go, ru, sich, hach, pi. Am I audible? Please put a message. Am I audible? Okay, let's see. 3 people have joined. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each, ni, san, sen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Shoulder relaxed. 10, 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Spot running. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Right, relax. So, little bit of shoulder exercise. Each, knee, san, shi, go, ruk, sich, hach, ko, jo. Some each, knee, san, shi, and go. Back. Each, knee, san, shi, go. Okay, sorry. Each, knee, san, shi, go, ruk. Back. Each, knee, san, shi, go, ruk. Some each, knee, san, shi, and go. So stand 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next side. Same. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next side. Once again. So, some each, knee, san, shi, go, ruk, sich, hach, ko, ju. Push. Change. Keep down. Down. Push, push, push. Change. Okay. So, now let's start up with the warm-up drill. Hey, Jembutsuachi Gedanbari Kamete. So, we will practice here Hikikomi. Each, Oizuki, knee, Ageuke, san, Shotouke, shi, Uchiuke, Gedanbarai, Maigeri, Moshigeri, or Yokogeri. Change leg. One more. Each. Ageuke, knee. Shotouke, san. Uchiuke, shi. Gedanbarai, go. Maigeri, ruk. Moshigeri, shi. Yokogeri, hach. Change leg. Now a little bit faster. Hit. San, Shi, Go, Rook, Shit, Hat. And exchange. Hit, Knee, San, Shi, Go, Rook, Shit, Hat, and now ready. So this is a warm-up drill. You can always do. This is hikikomi. See, in same position. So you have to pull your leg from here like this and then stand like this. So this is not a good idea, like this. So every time, like squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay. Now the first part of my Kihon will be angles in Zuki. We will practice few Zuki waza and we will practice the angles in different Zukis. Okay? So let's start. From this position, first count Naname Zuki each. So when I do Naname Zuki, just put the hip, put the fist on your waist and along with your waist just rotate. Just rotate. So from the side, so this is a bad idea if your elbow comes out. So your elbow and fist, it should be along with your hip and like this. So Naname Zuki, each slow. From this position, don't change this knee, Gyakuzuki, land and Chokuzuki. One more. So Naname Zuki. Now keeping this torque, keeping this position, don't do like this. So from this position, Gyakuzuki, the moment you are pulling your hand, San, another side each, drop your weight, knee, San, one more each, knee, San, each, knee, San. Now don't forget to rotate your hip, use your hip, each, like this, knee, San, each, knee, San. So this is, we are doing the Gyakuzuki from 45-degree angle. So this is a 45-degree angle from this. So this is a torque of 45-degree rotation. Okay, so we will do a little faster. Each, knee, San, 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 each, knee, San. And now remas. Now next, from this position, now next we will do, now we have done Naname Zuki, now we will do Yokozuki. Yokozuki to the side of your body. Now, common mistake, from the side I am showing, if you do like this, beginners, you may do like this. So this one is a wrong idea. So you have to do like this. It will come along with the hip. The hand will come along with the hip, like this. So this is a wrong idea. So this is okay. This is point number 1, the offending arm. Point number 2, the hikite arm. This is no good. This is also a common mistake. So try to pull your arm like this. As if you see it from here, it appears that I am facing you. So from this position, just hikite and like this, knee. So we will practice this 5 times. Each, Yokozuki, each slow. Just now this time we are using the 90 degree. This was 45 degree Nanamezuki. This is from Yokozuki to forward. Okay, so let's do it slowly. Each. Now look, knee and sun. Each. Knee, keep the twist. Sun. Each. Keep the twist. Knee. Sun. Each. Keep the twist. Sun. Now, the most important part from this position. So now I am here, my hip is here. If I again do this, so I am not using the twist of my body. So while you are keeping your body here, just like this. With the arrival, while you are arriving, with the arrival, turn your hip. So let's do it a little bit faster. Each, knee, sun. Each, knee, sun. Each, knee, sun. Each, knee, sun. Each, knee. Hey, sun. Hey, now namas. So now we have practiced from 45 degree to forward, from 90 degree to forward. So next part, same Yokozuki each. Now this time from this position Yokozuki, now I am not going forward. From this position I am going that side, Gyakuzuki. The most important part here is, after I do Yokozuki, try not to do this. Try to first move your pivot foot first, the toe. So from this position, try to move your toe and the hip same time. In no point of time, it should go like this. If you do like this, so here is the bottle. So I am putting it in here. So each, and now I am doing Gyakuzuki, knee. So this is a wrong idea. I am going there, my force is going there. So always it is recommended from this position. Each, Yokozuki, knee. Turn on your heel. One more. Each, knee. Turn on your heel. So this time, each slowly, knee, and then sun. Again each, that side, knee, sun. Each, knee, sun. Each, knee, sun. Little bit faster. Each, knee, sun. 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 So this time the diversion was 180 degree. From here to there. Next part, from here, Yokozuki once again. From this Yokozuki once again. From this now we will turn back. Now we are turning back. From this position, I am showing you each. Now this is diversion 180 and 90, 270. So from this position, spin back. And so one more. Each. Now spin back. Knee. Sun. One more. Each. That side. Now spin back on your knee. Back. Each. Knee. Back. Each. Knee. on your heel. Once again each, try to move on your heel like this. So knee on your heel and same back. So each, try to move on your heel and back. Alright, now reverse. So now we will do it in one count. All the diversions we will do in one single row. So each knee, sun, each knee, sun, each knee, sun, each knee, sun. Now side, each knee, sun, each knee, sun, each. Now back, knee, sun, each, turn, knee and sun. Anonymous. So these are the diversions. You can always practice better Byakuzuki. So in different directions using the angle and the torque of your body. So let's have some water. Okay. So next part. Next part we are going for the Tachikata, stance spreading, and mainly focusing on the weight shifting of your weight via the pelvic compression. So first, starting here with Chokuzuki each. From this position, Yoko MP knee, Yoko MP, then Sutouke, then Nekwashiachi. Now, the most important point, from Chokuzuki, we are going for Kibadachi and Yoko MP. There is one interesting point. There is a very common mistake. Often we doing like this. So in my training design, I have added this, the way of doing this each. Now three things same time. Number one, keep your arm here. Number two, look, and number three, this. Keeping your body here. Keeping your body here. So first you have to looking, keeping your offending arm, MP arm here, palm facing outside, and your leg, the dachi leg, it will go first. Not the body. It will go first and then the body. So we will practice this. Each like this. Knee, back. One more. From this position, just each. Knee, back. This is very important. So one for each. So first your leg is moving and then your this arm will be here while you are looking. So now we will try to do this in one single count, very slow. First right side each. Now same time, knee. So this Kibadachi. Now from this position, just from Kibadachi, squeeze. From this position, squeeze. So from Kibadachi, just Kogutsuachi. From this position, further squeeze, Nekwashiachi. Okay? So three stance first we will do doing. Each, knee, sun, Kogutsuachi. From this position, chi, Nekwashiachi. Now from this position, like in Kata Nijushio, wrist curling block, wrist curling falling block, and Teishozuki. So from Nekwashiachi, just drop your foot like this. So it will become Sanchin Gachi, like this. Sanchin. So from Nekwashiachi, just one wrist curling falling block and Teishozuki. Okay, so one more. So regarding Sanchin Dachi, this is my ball of the foot and this is the heel. So the measurement between two heels. So now stand like this. This will be roughly 30 degrees and this outer side will be straight. So that it seems that it is slightly inclined inward. Outer side will be not this, outer side will be straight line. And this is 30 degree tilt. So this is Sanchin Dachi. And inner thigh compression. So like this. So once more. Each knee, sun, sheep, go. Another side. Each knee, sun, sheep, and go. Another side. One more. Each knee. From the sun, sheep, go. One more. Each knee. Elbows like this. Sun. From this position, just first pull your arm and then sheep and go. So let's do it 2 times more. Each knee, sun, sheep, go. One more. Each knee, sun, sheep, go. Anonymous. So we have used 4 stances. Shigentai, to Kibadachi, to Kogutsuachi, to Neguasiachi and to Sanchindachi. Every time, just to remember, every time the stances are all about the movement functioned by your pelvic compression, both the pelvic joints. So from Kibadachi, first compression Kogutsuachi, second compression, some more compression Neguasiachi, then compression on the both sides, inner thigh compression through double pelvic compression. So this is all about stances. So one more, this is Kibadachi, first pelvic compression Kogutsuachi, some more compression Neguasiachi, then final compression and pull. So this is all about the inner thigh compression and the pelvic compression, about the stances. So like this. Okay. Now next part of our weight shifting will be, so these drills we will be doing shifting of your weights. So now here from Shigentai, Ageuke Gyakuzuki, Ageuke Gyakuzuki. From this position, just move on your heel. From this position, Zenkutsuachi, just move on your heel 45 degree. Ageuke Gyakuzuki. From this position, just move on your heel so that you are going 45 degree towards that side. So each Ageuke Gyakuzuki, just turn on your heel, both heel, Kibadachi. From this position, Kogutsuachi, that angle, then forward, Gyakuzuki. One more. Each Ageuke Gyakuzuki. From this, just turn on your heel so that you will be 45 degrees or 50 degrees backward. So from this position, just from this position, pull your arm 45 degree that side, then forward. One more. Right hand side, each Ageuke Gyakuzuki. Just turn on your heel, knee, that side. From this position, sun, that side. she. One more. Each, knee, son, she. One more please. Each. Just don't do this. Knee. Just move on your heel. From this position, first preparation with your arm, then pull, son, then push, she. One more. Each. आगे होके गैप लुकी. Knee. And P. Look that side. Preparation. And son. Now forward. She. One more. Another side. Each. Knee. Son. She. And another side. Each. Knee. Son. She. One more. Each. Knee. Son. And she. And now ready. So, once again, from this position, आगे होके गैप लुकी. Just you have to move on your heel. Just you have to move on your heel. And then from this position, okay. So this is shifting of your weight and how to move on your heel without using the toes. So like this you have to always move. So our next drill will be, it is also shifting of the weight. Last two drills actually we have shifted weight. That was about shifting weight involving different stances. Stances are nothing but shifting of your weight involving the compression and expansion of your pelvic. So now we will do a simple drill. Once again, hey, get on the right. From this position, pull your leg. From this position, pull your leg, knee and sun. Change leg. Each. From this, get on body, knee, leg was sun. One more. Each. Knee, sun. One more. Each. Knee, sun. Now leg was like this. It is almost in second thigh. So you can touch it also here, but never it will be like this. Heel toe joining or a little bit forward. That hardly matters. Now you have to sit down. Just a minute please. Now regarding Nekwashidachi, so you have to sit on your supporting leg, and if you are putting a plumb line extension, that will be beyond your heel. If it is here, so definitely some pressure is coming over here, but you have to sit here. You have to sit on your here so that a straight line will come and it will go beyond your heel, back heel. So this is Nekwashidachi. So from this side, Nekwashidachi, if you have draw a line, so if it is here, so this is a common mistake, so it will come here. This is no good, this is okay. So you have to shift your weight back. You have to shift your weight back. From this position, many new students, they often do this mistake. So you have to a little bit backward, so that a tension is being created here. This is okay for beginners. This is okay. But if you do a little bit backward, then the compression is creating here, and then you can shoot, pump. Okay, so get on my each. Sam, pull your knee. Sam. One more. Each. Knee. Sun. Shift. Semichi, knee, sun. Now this part, Semichi, knee. From this position, Kizami Maigiri, sun, and land it here. Kizami Maigiri, fast, and land it here. So each knee, sun, she. Change leg, each knee, sun, she. Shift. One more, each knee, sun, she. Level 3, from this position, each knee, now sun, land Urazuki, she, and go, Yoriashi. One more, another side, each, Gedandarai, knee, Nekoshachi Uchiuke, Maigeri, sun, land Urazuki, Yoriashi, Gyabuzuki. So, we will do it in one count each technique. Each, knee, sun, she, go. One more, another side, each, knee, sun, she, go. From this position actually, from this position, just push. From this position, push, and then shift. From this position, just push. Once you are doing the Maigiri, just push. So, one more please. Each, knee, sun, she, go. Back, each, knee, sun, she, go. Back, each, knee, sun, she, go. Back, each, knee, sun, she, and go. Enormous. Hi, Yami. So, these 3 drills was about all weight shiftings, how to shift your weight in between the stances. So we have mostly we have used Genkutsu-achi, 2 Kibadachi, 2 Kokutsu-achi, 2 Nekoashi-achi, Sanchin-dachi. So how to move and how to use your heel toe, how the heel toe combinations, that is very important. So next drill, okay. So next drill is about spinning and rotation, tension drill, the spinning and rotation. Let's see. From this position, each Chokuzuki, knee, Maigiri, Chokuzuki, sun, now turn back, turning backward. While I am turning backward like this, it is very essential not to spread your arms. Your arms should always be within near your central axis, and you have to maintain your central axis. From this position, quickly preparation for Gedan Marai. So preparation from Gedan, not like you are turning and then you are doing. This is not recommended. It will be more easier if we are doing like this. So this arm will come faster. So by using this arm, you are creating a spin at the upper part of your body, and that will help you to turn. So one more, each Chokuzuki, Maigiri Chokuzuki. Now from this part, drop your weight, Gedan Marai, Gyakuzuki. From this part, turn forward once again, Yoko Ura Kenuchi, Gyakuzuki. From this position, once again turn, and Segentai Chokuzuki. So while we are turning here, first use your upper part of your body like this, Chokuzuki. Another side, each knee. So from this position, San, Gyakuzuki. From this position again turn, Yoko Ura Kinuchi, Shi. Now this position once again turn, go. Now always try to move on your heel. From this position, try to move on your heel. So always try to move on your heel. This is a pivoting foot, so it should always move on your heel. Always try, I also try. So this is real difficult while you are spinning, but try to rotate on your heel. Once again, the drill, Chokuzuki each, Maigiri Chokuzuki knee, Gedanbarai Gyakuzuki, Gyaku Kaiten, turn back, San, turn back, Uraken, Yoko Uraken Uchi Gyakuzuki, Shi, turn back to Shigentai, use your arm, upper body, San. One more another side, each, knee. Now from this position turn, use your, go. Now turn again, look, turn again, cheat. One more, each, knee, San, cheat, go. One more, each, knee, San, cheat, go. One more, each, knee. Now turn, San, Shi, turn forward, go. One more, each, knee, turn back, San, Shi, turn forward, go. And last, each, knee, San, Shi, go. Another side, each, knee, San, Shi, go. And now mass. Ayame. So, a little bit of water. So, this is about spinning. So, you have to maintain your axis. One very interesting point. This is my central axis. In rotation, this is my central axis. Now, if you rotate like this, if I rotate like this, so you are going out of the central axis. So you have to rotate like this. So if I am rotating like this, so you are going out of the central axis, again you are coming here. Once again, you are going out of the central axis. You have gone out. Now you are rotating here. Now again you are coming here. So this is not good. So you have to maintain your central axis like this. You have to rotate here. You have to rotate here and quickly you have to pull your like this. So once again, so I am holding the stick. It's difficult for me. So this is my central axis. Now the movement should be here. You will move here. So from this position, I will quickly like this. So at no point of time you should move out of the central axis. This is very, very important in rotation. Like in Gyakuzuki, if you are moving out of the central, now we have moved out. So you have to move here. So from this position, if I am going like this, so I have gone out. So supposing supposing that this each knee like this. Again, first twist on the central axis like this and this. This is very important in turnings and twistings. I hope you have enjoyed. Next part, tension drill. Same, this will be a simplified tensile drill. From this position, first Gyakuzuki, each Gyakuzuki, knee. Okay, San, Shi. One more. From this position, first Gyakuzuki, each. Again, each, just from this position. Now turn Gyakuzuki forward, Gyakuzuki. Turn back Gyakuzuki. Turn back on the central axis. And straight Gyakuzuki next. Sun. This is one. Again, from this position, Gyakuzuki each. Turn and Gyakuzuki knee. Turn back Gyakuzuki Sun. Straight move forward Gyakuzuki Shi. Another hand, each, turn forward Gyakuzuki, Gyakukaiten, knee, turn back Gyakuzuki, Sun, move forward Gyakuzuki, Shi. One more, left side, from this position, a Gyakuzuki, turn Gyakuzuki, turn back Gyakuzuki, straight Gyakuzuki. And now mask. Another side. Once again, right side. Each. Knee. Sun. Shi. A back. Left side. Each. Knee. Sun. Shi. Sorry. Like this. Another side. Each. Gyakuzuki, knee, Sun, Shi, a back, one more, each, Gyakuzuki, knee, Gyakuzuki, Sun, Gyakuzuki, Shi, Gyakuzuki, a back. Now, we will make, it's difficult to move and maintain your axis, but definitely we have to try and keep the axis in rotation. It is very difficult to maintain your axis. Like in case of all linear punches, it is easier for you, but because you are turning, it is very difficult to maintain the line. So now we will do it in one count. Each, knee, Sun, a back, each, knee, Sun, a back, one more, each, knee, Sun, a back, one more, last, each, knee, Sun, back, and no remas. So sometimes you need not think much. Sometimes you need not think much. Initially, first 3 to 4 times, you have to think about your central axis. Then you think about rotation on your heel. But sometimes when you are doing fast, don't think too much. Don't think about the hip. Just do it. Just enjoy. Just make it free. So in that way, you will improve yourself. Okay. The last part of our twisting training, Kaishowaza, open hand techniques. So we will using the turns and few open hand techniques. from this position, shoto shoto uchi. For this position, shoto shoto uchi, uchi shoto uchi. So shoto shoto uchi, use your elbow. Don't make a big circle. Just use your elbow. Shoto uchi, uchi shoto uchi, gyaku haito uchi, like this. So from this position, each shoto shoto uchi, uchi shoto uchi, gyaku haito uchi. Now turn uchi shoto uchi. From this position, like in hyan yonnan, shoto nagashi uke, gedan uchi kumi. Knee, from this position, knee, a deep stance, then move forward, like hyan nidan, osai uke and nukite. So it will be middle. So one more please. From this position, shoto shoto uchi, uchi shoto uchi, gyaku haito uchi, turn, uchi shoto uchi, jodan shoto nagashi uke, kara gedan shoto kumi, and move forward, osai uke and nukite. Once again please. Shoto shoto uchi, uchi shoto uchi, gyaku haito uchi, turn uchi shoto uchi, like in hyan yonnan, hyan godan, uchi kumi and jodan nagashi uke. From this position, while you move forward, in the middle of your movement, just same time. One more please. Each, knee, sun, she, go. Another hand. Each, knee, sun, she, go. Another left hand change. Each, knee, sun, she, go. Hand change. Each, knee, sun, she, go. Now we will try to do a little bit faster. So reach, knee, sun, 3 count. Another. Reach, knee, sun. Another side. Reach, knee, sun. Last, left side. Reach, knee, sun. Right. Hi, now remands. So these are various techniques, various turning and twisting techniques, where you can use any theme hand technique. You can use gyakuzuki, you can use open hand techniques, you can use elbows. Any theme technique you can use while you are spinning. Your ultimate objective is to spin your body, and while you are spinning, you have to maintain number 1 correct axis of your rotation. Number 2, try to use the ball of the foot. Try always. So it hardly matters what you are taking. Your theme punch may be gyakuzuki, as we have done. Your theme punch may be uraken. Your theme techniques may be open hand techniques or elbow. Anything you wish. I hope you will enjoy this drill. So Okay. Okay, now quickly, we are having 10 minutes more. So now I will be practicing with you my favorite techniques, MP Waza, elbow. So warm up, MP Waza warm up, Tate MP each. We have done it earlier. Knee, sun, sheep. Each, knee, sun, sheep. Try to remember. Just I have already discussed this. This is my center line. This is a common mistake, like this. So it will come in the center. Here, Tata MP, center. So this is very important. So each, knee, sun, sheep. Each, knee, sun, sheep. Use your shoulder and use your shoulder blade. Use your shoulder, this muscle, relax this muscle. Don't try to, one very important thing, don't try to tense your face, because sometimes my sensei said face is for smiling. So if you are making tension in your face, so you are likely to tense your shoulder muscles, these muscles, neck muscles, and it will impede your hand movement. So always not really smiling, always try to be relaxed. So this is not recommended. Be very relaxed. Okay, so be very relaxed. So each, knee, sun, sheep. Each, knee, sun, sheep. Each, knee, sun, sheep. Use your hip. Each, knee, sun, sheep. Now, one count full action. Each, knee, sun, sheep. Go. Look. Sheet. Hut. Go. Joe. Hey, anonymous. Hey, breathing please. Always don't forget that your elbow will always move close to your body. Never do like this, nor it should always close to your body. Okay? So, MP drill while you are moving in Ilokyom. So, first, Tata MP each. Jenkuswaji Tata MP. Gyakumai MP. Knee. From this position, slide inward. Yoko MP. Kibadachi Yoko MP. One more. From this position, each. Knee. Gyakumai MP. Yoko MP. Sun. From this position, turn back. And Nagashi MP. Online Jenkuswaji. Nagashi MP. Log. Nagashi MP. From this, hold Furorachi Otoshi MP. One more. Tata MP each. Gyakumai MP knee. Twist your hip as possible. Sun. Turn. Chi. Nagashi MP. And long, a little bit longer stance. Nagashi MP. From this position, just hold and Fudorachi Otoshi MP. One more please. Another hand. Each. Knee. Sun. Shi. Nagashi MP. Go. One more. Another hand. Each. Tata MP. Knee. Sun. Shi. Go. Hey. Another hand. Each. Knee. Sun. Shi. This is the MP drill. We have covered almost all the MPs. So basically, one more. This is Tata MP, natural heat rotation. My MP, Gyaku Hanmi, my MP. So like in Hyan Nigal, Gyaku Hanmi. From this position, so there is a compression. Now release the compression. Sun, fast movement. The moment you release compression, just forward. Just while you are pulling your leg, hold your opponent down or back. So we can call this a training day. So I hope you have enjoyed. In pandemic, this 2020 was really very struggling, and I hope in 2021, in 2020, Karate at Home was created, and all the instructors around the world, we have come together and we have joined hand and created this platform. Thanks to Martin Sensei. And 2021, even more and more of instructors are coming, and it is definitely a very good learning experience. So once again, a very, very happy New Year on behalf of JKWF India Kolkata. I hope you have enjoyed my training, and thank you for seeing me in this live video. And this month on 30th, I think Somnath Sensei will be having his class. So I also deeply thank my mentor Somnath Palchaudhuri for guiding me, for preparing and helping me in these lesson plans. So, and I also thank Martin Sensei, Nazda Sensei, and all the other instructors across the world, okay, for this platform. And I hope in the coming days I will also learn many new things from all the instructors, those who will be teaching here. So 1 minute left, just warming down, just relax. Okay, relax like this here. Okay, Kyosuke, hey, Os, to all the instructors of the world, Os. So thank you for watching.